Hi to all of you, this is Marvil Di Mercado and I'm now going to show you how to make an eye in Autodesk Maya 2011 under the lesson Texturing and Shading. First, you must click your surfaces, click Sphere, make Wine, here click Rendering, then Light and Shading, assign favorite material, Blend, here click the checkered wine and choose Ramp. To see the color, press 6. Then here in the type, just select your ramp. In the interpolation, select bump. And you can add color here by just clicking anywhere like that. Then this will be the color of our eyes. The first one will be the black one, and also the second one will be the black one. The third one will be the fractal. Choose the checkered one here, select fractal, change the color by the color gain, select light blue, then select again the object, click here the blend. Here is the last two is the white one. The white one. To view it, just rotate it. And just adding. And that will be the eye. And that's all. How to make an eye in Autodesk Maya 2011. Thank you.